Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to look at the main computer shortcuts. So let's get started. The first shortcut that you should know is opening the File Explorer. So Windows plus E. So if I press Windows and E, I'm able to open the File Explorer. Okay, so let's now minimize, that is Windows M. So I can minimize whatever application I have. Then let me now open settings, Windows plus I. So I can open the settings. Let me open the desktop. There's a difference between minimize and desktop. So let's say I was working on many projects or many applications. I can open the desktop immediately or directory without closing them one by one. So we can do that with Windows plus D. So Windows plus D. So you see you are back to the desktop. Then we have Windows plus Q for search. You can search files. So that is Windows plus Q. Then we have Windows plus L. If you are busy in an office and it's lunchtime, you can always lock your computer quickly with Windows plus L. So your computer will lock. So and that's it. So I hope this recording was informative. If you found it being of value, please like, share and comment. Thank you. This is Techno Kenya.